This shirt is a reminder that Season 4 of Rick and Morty has still not come out. When will the suffering end? This is the kind of shit white people wear because they think it makes them more gangsta. 3 out of 10 for the cat. It's a book. 10 out of 10. This shirt is actually kind of rad. It's soft, retro, and it's about space. I can get behind this. 9 out of 10. Looking at this shirt is what playing Dungeons & Dragons should feel like. 9 out of 10. It's an awesome design, but I'm not sure I would actually wear it. I just like to look at it. Hell yes. Hell yes. Hell yes. Hell yes. Hell yes.